What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Deep Broussard, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a muffler delete to vision. You'll see more after this late intro. Let's get it. So yeah, man, today I'm going to be working on taking Vision down and get his mufflers finally done. I got a day off work. I said, you know what, man, I'm going to just start filming today. And I said, you know what, let me just knock out taking Vision down to get a muffler upgrade. I don't know if I'm going to do a delete. I may do a delete just like I did on Panther, because that Panther sound mean. Panther sound real mean. So I may do that muffler delete. I don't have an appointment, so hopefully they can just take me in. So I'm gonna find out pretty soon. I'm gonna head on down, give me some gas and head out. And I want to show you my neighbors. What year he said this was? I think he said. What year did you say the Corvette was? Huh? What year did you say the Corvette was?
76.
The 76. Yeah, my neighbor's 76 Corvette. Man, this thing is nice. This is something that he's working on. And I'll be heading down this coming Wednesday to check on the El Camino and see what progress they're making on that. So anyway, I'm about to do a cold start with this one. You can let you hear it, man. It doesn't have really much sound at all. I don't have my stand. It's inside the garage, so I'm gonna have to start it and get out the car and let you guys hear what it sounds like. But there's not really much sound on this car, man. So that's what I want to upgrade on this one. Let me do a start real quick. Into the car. Alright. You guys can see out here not much going on. Sorry, I can't give you any revs or anything like that because my stand I left it in the garage. But that's like nothing. I want to improve that. So I'm gonna head down here now. Hopefully they can take me in and we can improve on that. Alright, get back in a sec. Let's get it. Just pulled up to the gas station, man. This Hummer is pretty dope. Things say Godfather in the window. Just want to get a little footage of this. I don't want to walk up to the vehicle because I don't know this guy and I don't want to come off being like a weirdo or anything like that, but I just wanted to put this in the video. This Hummer's pretty clean. Y'all like that? He clean. Alright, be back in a sec. Let's get it. Alright, so I made it down. Let me go in here and see if they can get me in. It doesn't look like they're busy right now because they got this side open right there. They have one in here getting welded, so it doesn't look like they're real busy right now. Let me see if they can get me in. Alright, let me go holler at them. Be back in a sec. Let's get it. Alright, so we good. They rolling me in right now, man. Had a spot for me ready. You see, pulling me in. No sound right now, man. So we're gonna see how this come out. But yeah, see if I can get a little something to Vision, man. But yeah, so anyway, it's all good, man. I came on down. They pulling me in now. They only had one car in that they was doing a little welding on. And so yeah, it's good, man. Let's see how this turns out. Be back in a sec. Let's get it. Up he goes. Yes, sir. Alrighty, so they got the old mufflers off there. Just go. put the tips back on there and get him welded. We'll be good to go. See how it sounds. I hope this thing sounds better than it did, because it just like really had no sound at all, man. So anyway, be back in a sec. Let's get it. So for those of you that want to know where this place is located, they're located at, let me go around, 12432 San Pablo Avenue. And it's MGR Muffler. Alright, there's a street right here, San Pablo, and it's in San Pablo, California. Alright, so that's for those of you that want to know where I go to get my mufflers done. Alright, MGR Muffler. Back in a sec, let's get it. Right, bringing him down. Let's see how he sounds now. See if this muffler delete gonna make a difference. Hopefully it does. We'll see. You gonna find out. That time I find out. That definitely made a difference. Made a huge difference. You couldn't hear anything before. You couldn't hear these at all. You couldn't hear them. You couldn't hear them at all. That's much better. Yes, sir. Back in a sec, let's get it. Forget it. Alright, so all done. I'm gonna just do a quick walk around before I do before I start him up and let you hear what it sounds like. Back for a second, but yeah, man, I think I didn't change the tips or anything. I left all that the same thing. I was gonna put some Chevy tips on there, but how they were made, you can see how this is made on my car. How this is rounded right here. Those were too wide right here. And I ain't wanted to leave it down here and look it wouldn't have looked right. So I was gonna change them to some Chevy tips, but didn't work out. Anyway, quick walk around, then I go ahead and start him up. You can hear what it sound like from when I first started him up earlier, and it was like little to no sound basically. And oh yeah, you know what, I already got these on order. Those gonna be changed out in a minute, so let me just start him up real quick and let you guys see what it sound like. Again, just put my stand here, that way I can do a quick startup. 1 second. Got it on my stand now. 1 second. I think it sounds much better than it did before. Because before, like I said, had no sound. And so this has to break in a little bit more. It's gonna sound even better. So for now, I'm pleased, I'm good with this. Having no sound to go into this, having a little meaner sound to it, if you will. So, all right, let me know what you guys think. Like, share, subscribe to your boy Dipper Sard. Back with another one. I'm out. Let's get it.